Maptek now offers easy to access, economical online training. Undertake professional development at your own pace and convenience. Access online training through the Maptek users area. Find detailed information about course content and objectives. Online learning saves travel costs and allows you to learn in your own time. Work through a series of videos and presentations created by Maptek experts. You can download sample data to practice software skills. Test your knowledge and print certificates of training completion. Automatically add certificates to your LinkedIn account. Simple registration and online payment allows you to quickly get started. Access courses for 60 days to complete and revisit your training. Take control of your professional development with Maptek Online Training. Find out more at maptek.com.